All right, hi, my name is Mr. Donnan, and this is the CroomsCon 2021 Virtual Event Primer. First things first, what is CroomsCon? CroomsCon is a charity event held at Crooms Academy where we raise money for the Children's Miracle Network. The way we do this is usually at the beginning of spring break, we all come together and we take all the rooms in the school and we move out all of the normal classroom stuff and we put in game consoles and we re-image all the computers and we make it just a gaming nirvana, right? And then we have tournaments and casual events and rock band and board games and card games and all that fun stuff. So that's what CroomsCon usually is, and that's what it will probably be next year in 2022. But for now, in 2021, we're going to try and do the same thing we usually do. It's just going to be a little more condensed. So it's going to be an online only event. We're going to have a bunch of charity events where we can raise money for charity. We're going to have prizes and a bunch of tournament final matches, and we're going to have some casual events. So that's what our event's going to be this year. Now, every hour on the hour, we're going to show the two teams or the two individual players who are going head to head for the winning on the winning tournament. And then on the half hour, we're going to have some casual events where people from the stream are going to be able to join in and just have a casual event of Among Us or Hunger Games or something like that. Throughout the event, we're going to give away prizes to just door prizes, and we're going to give away prizes to people who raise the most money through their own individual fundraisers. And we'll talk about that in a second. You can watch the event on twitch.tv/CroomsCon. Everybody's welcome to watch the event and chat and just see how things go. But if you want to be a part of it, you need to register to become an attendee. An attendee can enter in the tournaments and actually make it to finals. They can register and they can win prizes on stream, so like door prizes and stuff like that, and they can participate in all the casual events we're going to do on stream. Registration is easy. You go to tinyurl.com/CroomsCon 2021, and then you're going to get to this page. And once you get to this page, you click register now, and it will take your credit card information, and it only costs $5 to register. When you register, we will send you an email that will have information on how you can register for the hardcore real tournaments and the casual events. You've got to make sure you register before you enter any of the events that we're going to do. So that means the tournaments, we're going to have preliminary tournaments starting on February 22nd. So those tournaments, you must be registered before you enter those tournaments. So once again, the finals are going to be on the day of CroomsCon, the Saturday, March 13th. But the preliminary tournaments that we will use to figure out who are going to be actually competing on stream, those events are going to start on the 22nd. We're also selling shirts and masks, so if you're interested in repping some CroomsCon gear, you can get that at tinyurl.com/cc21. The other thing, I know it's sort of going back to the registration part. Once you register, you can actually set yourself up with a fundraiser on Facebook. All right. When you click the share button, you can actually create your own fundraiser for CroomsCon, and then any people on Facebook who donate to your charity fundraiser, that will raise your number in the top fundraisers. Now, during the streaming event, we're going to have little sections called the Charity Rush. So usually during a casual event, we'll be playing Among Us, and we'll also have a Charity Rush. So whoever raises the most money in those little windows of Charity Rush will be eligible for a prize. Okay, so we're going to have a bunch of prizes we're giving away, so we want to make sure that you get a shot at those, especially if you're raising a lot of money for the Children's Miracle Network. So with that said, that's CroomsCon 2021 this year. It starts on Saturday, March 13th, 2021 at noon. We're going to have the finals, we're going to have casual events, and we're going to give away prizes. And it's going to be a great time, and we're all going to raise money for a great charity. So we hope to see you there on March 13th. See you later. Bye.